In this little video I demonstrate you how the user interaction with the FlightZoomer EFIS can be done with using F1 to the F12 button, which are located in a row below the display, and the functions are written on the lower border of the display, and there are layouts. These are the lower tabs you can select by pressing the buttons long. Flight control layout I would get by pressing F3 long. Flight management layout by pressing F4 long. Back to home by pressing F2 long. Then in one of the layouts you get the 12 possible functionalities with these buttons on the which are just right above the keys. And for example, I can zoom in the primary flight display, zoom out, or zoom in, zoom out the other way around. Then I can switch off the 3D view, I can switch off roads. I can toggle between Q&A, standard, atmosphere, QFE, QNH. Changing values happens by selecting the number and turning the mouse wheel. Here also in the navigation display we have zoom functionality. Terrain can be switched on and off, and various modes are possible. Also map layers are visible here. Flight control likewise, I can switch on the autopilot. That's now the app is running in simulation mode, so this is not a real flight. I set some reasonable flight parameters, speed 160. I turn to south like this. Then I can control like that. Then the flight management system, here we get an overlay, and with the plus minus keys or the rotary encoder I can basically select the row for which the buttons then are applicable basically by F1 to F12. I can, for example, go to the route page, then I enter an origin by selecting the code of the airport L S Z H, insert it into the F1, and now it's here. Yeah, that's it for the moment. Stay tuned for more news.